Problem number 3 on chapter 8, section 3. Take a minute to read the problem, pause the video, and identify the claim, the null hypothesis, and the alternative hypothesis. Okay, in this problem, the claim is that for smartphone carriers data speeds at airports, the mean is 14 megabytes per second. So this is the claim. And notice that in this particular situation, the claim contains equality. So that goes right here on the null hypothesis. Okay, I'm sorry, let me use mean. Mean is equals to 14.00. Okay, that is megabytes per second. So the alternative hypothesis will be the mean, the population mean is different than 14.00 megabytes per second. Okay, whenever the claim is on the alternative hypothesis, the mathematical statement for the alternative hypothesis is different. Okay, so the sample size is 24 and the test statistic is negative 1.851. We need to find the p-value for this test. Well, first of all, this is going to be a double test situation here. We have a double tail test. Okay, and I know that because of the mathematical symbol on the null hypothesis. When the mathematical symbol is different, that's when we have two tails. Okay, the test statistic is negative 1.851. So that is right here, negative 1.851. Remember, the t-distribution is symmetrical, so the test statistic here, I mean the value here, will be positive 1.851. Okay, and to find the p-value, if we remember the definition of a p-value, is the probability of getting a value of the test statistic that is at least as extreme as the test statistic obtained from the sample data. All this is from the sample data, and also assuming the null hypothesis is true. This, the value of 14.00 is the assumed value. So basically, we want to find the probability of obtaining a t-value less or equal than negative 1.851 plus the probability of obtaining a value greater than 1.851. So basically, you want this area plus this area. Notice the areas are exactly the same in size. So once you find this area, just multiply by 2 and you get this area as well. Okay. For a t-distribution, you will need the degrees of freedom, which in this case is 23. Remember, degrees of freedom is n minus 1. Okay, that's how you obtain this number. And we are ready to go. Let's go to the calculator, and let me clear the calculator here, and we go to second vars. If we want the area and we have the score, we need to use TCDF number 6. The lower limit, you might keep this number. This is a crazy negative number, so if that's okay, it's right here. The negative 1 times 10 10 to the 99 is a very low value here on the left side. The upper value, I type negative 1.851. Degrees of freedom is 23, and I paste that on the calculator on the main screen. Then obtain this number. That is the area corresponding to this side of the tail, right, of the distribution. So I gotta multiply by 2 since I have another area of the same size on the right side, and that's how I get the p-value. The p-value is this area plus this area. Okay, so that's how you get this number.